Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick video for those that have upgraded their Windows 10 operating system to the October 2018 update. This is for those that might have lost files due to it, and what to do. So, okay. After looking at the comments here on the channel and all the emails, and it's obvious that the number of people that lose their files from this update is very small, because the majority of everybody here has mentioned that their upgrade went well. That means it's a small number of users. And I've got a lot of people say, "Hey, alert, don't do this," and there's of course enough danger, I guess, that Microsoft has pulled the October update. So if you're on the October update and everything went well, it's okay. I saw a few posts, people saying, "Well, maybe I should, revert back." No, if you updated and you're okay, it's okay. There are no problems if there are no problems when you upgraded. And that's my case. I've upgraded 4 PCs here, and none of them has any problems, any glitches at all. So this update is actually pretty safe in general, but there's a small number of people that are having problems, including, which is probably the worst, if you have no backups of losing your files. Another thing that is important to mention here, I've seen some people post, I've removed some posts on this channel from people saying, "Well, I lost all my files from 6 different hard drives," and it's like, no, that's bogus, and that's just somebody going nuts and trying to make things worse than they are. No, that's not how it works. The only files you lose are the ones in the Windows folder themselves. If you have external hard drives that have files, nothing of that is touched. You still have your files there. It's not like that. It's really just the main folders within Windows 10 that are affected, which is documents, image, videos, and so on. How do you recover from this? If you are one of those that the files actually have been deleted, it's very important to understand that there's, if you go back, if you roll back to the previous update, it won't give you your files back. They are somehow removed, but they are not necessarily gone. What happens when the Windows 10 update appears is that once you have updated, these files have not been overwritten. They're still on a hard drive, they're just in kind of a deleted state. So here's what you got to do. If you're one of those affected and you want to try to have your files back, I will post the link to this download page. Download this piece of software called Recuva. There's a free version here on the left side, Advanced File Recovery, and Recuva will give you this piece of software that once you've scanned, you'll see all the files and folders deleted. Hopefully, with this, you'll be able to recover most of your files and folders. So it's very important to check this out. So Recuva is a piece of software that does data recovery. Technically, it should, and you should be able to actually get back the majority of your files and folders by using this piece of software. So download the software from the page that I've posted the link in the description below the video. You can use the free download, the free version. And scan your hard drive. It might take a long time. It will find all the files that were actually deleted. Normally, most of what you had should still be there and should be visible here with Recuva. You can put check marks over what you want to recover and click the recover button on the bottom right after that. And chances are your files are going to come back. So hopefully this little tips and tricks works. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.